Hey guys, so it is EDC weekend and I am not going, but I decided to sit here and film this festival look for y'all. So if you're interested in watching how I got it, then just keep watching. I am now starting with the palette that I got at the Family Dollar that I wore on my last video. I am using that same pink shade and I'm putting it as my transition color. I'm just going to make sure to blend that really well, and I'm blending it upwards. Using that same palette, I am now getting the purple shade and putting it on my crease, and I'm going to blend it upwards. My Match Perfection concealer in the color Tan, I am now cutting my crease. Like I've said before, I use this concealer because of the tip. It helps me a lot to be precise with the lines that I want for the crease. I am doing this cut crease that I have never done before. I really don't like full cut crease, I just like half cut creases. But I'm really happy that I did this because it helps with the glitter, in my opinion, a lot. Using my NYX Glitter Primer, I am now getting a flat brush and spreading it all over the cut crease. I am using this NYX Stacks, and I'm using the purple one, and I am just gonna get a flat brush, the same flat brush that I put with the primer, and just grab tiny bits of glitter and putting them all over my lid, just making sure that you can't see any white. So I'm just gonna spread it all over my lid until I'm happy with the result. Using my Aurora palette from Anastasia, I am now getting the color Spectra and putting it as my highlight. I am now preparing my cheek for the glitter highlight. I am putting the same NYX primer that I used on my lid on my cheek, and I'm just making sure to really spread it out so the glitter can be evenly. I am using the same glitter stack, but now I am getting the little clear glitter from the stack and putting it on my cheek as the glitter highlight. Like I said, you want to make sure that this is evenly throughout your cheekbone, because if not, it's just going to look like a big clump of glitter, and we don't want that. I am now using a silver glitter on top of the clear glitter. I just wanted it to pop a little more, so I decided to put this on top just to kind of help the glitter pop more, like I said. Getting some jewels from the Wal Mart Arts&Crafts section. Nothing big, you can put whatever jewels you want. Using a chunky glitter that I got from Iheartraves, I will be putting it on my inner corner with lash glue. Using the same palette, I'm using the pink shade under my eye. I am using Lime Crane Pink Velvet on my lips, also topping it off with a Wet n Wild Mega Lip Gloss in the color Fickle Fairy. All for today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.